I will show you how to find the distance from M to N, which is W. Okay, this question is asking your understanding of trigonometry and Pythagoras. So you need to choose when you have to use Pythagoras, when you have to use trigonometry. And then basically, when you don't have any angle aside from right angle of the triangle, then you're using Pythagoras. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? And when you see angle like that, you are usually using trigonometry. Okay? Then now, what we need to figure out is m to n. To figure out this one, you need to figure out the distance from j to n and then j to m. And once you figure out j to n and j to m, you do all you have to do is jn take away jm, isn't it? Okay, so let's try to figure out jm first. Okay, I copied this one down here. Right, so let's say the distance we want to figure out is x. And as I mentioned before, you need to use trigonometry, wasn't it? Because we've got the degree here. So trigonometry is SOHCAHTOA. You need to figure out which ratio you're using. And how you do is label the side, wasn't it? Opposite to the angle is O. And then the longest side is hypotenuse, which is H. And the next to the angle is adjacent. And then you cross out the empty side. We've got x here, 12.5 here, so we are crossing this one out. So what are we using? SOHCAHTOA. O and H, isn't it? And then so S means sine, cosine, tangent, okay? Which means what we need to do is sine degree, which is 32, equal O over H, which is x over 12.5. And then you are timesing 12.5 on both sides. So then x is 12.5 times by sine 32 degrees. Okay, so this is x. Let's say I just label this one here, x here. Okay, and then I will copy this one down here like this. Okay, and then what we are using is, because we don't have the angle here, we are using trigonometry. Okay, no, I mean, sorry, Pythagoras. Pythagoras means shorter side squared plus shorter side squared is always longer side squared. Okay, then if you want to figure out, for example, length of A, you take another shorter side square away from both sides, and A squared is C squared minus B squared. So which means A is square root C squared take away B squared. Like this, okay? So we are following this structure to figure out the length here from here to here. Let's label this side as y. Okay? If you follow this structure, you do y squared is a, isn't it? So that means y squared is longest side squared take away shorter side squared. Okay? Then if you square root it, you can find the length of y. And then we haven't finished yet. So this is a y. This is x. So if you look at this one, from here to here is x, from here to here is y, which means w is y take away x, isn't it? So x is this one, y is this one. So y is this one, and x is this one, right? So that w must be this takeaway this. So w is square root 21.2 squared minus 9.4 squared, take away 12.5 times by sine 32 degrees. Okay, I will type in the calculator like this. Okay, and then if you press equal here, you can find the answer. 12.378 blah blah blah. So I would say the answer is 12.38. Is that centimeter? Yeah, centimeter. This is the answer.